Today's video, we are out hunting for crocs on the deadly Adelaide River. The Northern Territory is home to the world's largest wild crocodile population, with more than 100,000 in the wild. This means there are nearly as many crocodiles as people in the Northern Territory. The Jumping Croc Tour is just an hour's drive from Darwin and is a must-do when visiting Darwin. Why are they called jumping crocs? They don't jump. The crocs on the river have been trained to jump for the buffalo meat that the tour operators offer from the side of the boat. Few animals fascinate visitors as much as these prehistoric creatures. Both freshwater and saltwater crocodiles can be found in the waters and river systems around Darwin. But it is the larger species, the saltwater crocodile, that captures the imagination. With their sheer size, salties resemble dinosaurs more than any other modern-day animal. The Adelaide River is 180 kilometres long, but an estimated 80,000 crocodiles live in it. Your trip isn't complete without seeing the world's largest reptiles at these places around Darwin.
The crocs, yeah, there's a big barramundi farm over there. They're actually feeding off a bit of their food, but look at the eagle out there, guys, midstream. White-breasted sea eagle coming towards us. The kites love this area, mate. There's lots of them, of course, you can see. The barra farm does attract quite a few, but we've got kites all the way up the river here. And the kites are called the black fork-tailed kite. These animals have a very good life. They come to the river in the mornings after feeding early, and they'll just socialise a lot. And they're opportunistic. If they see something they can eat, they will. Of course, this croc here, just trying to snatch it off here. The females get really cunning this time of year. They start to be really snatchy. Instead of just jumping up, they just want to get it. They don't want to do nothing for it. Just got to watch out. There's 66 teeth in a full set on the crocodile. They've got 44 sets of renewable teeth. Oh, the speed of that is too quick sometimes. They really are. They're 3 times faster than a human. So, they do have a very soft bottom jaw area. It is a tongue. The tongue of the crocodile has a pituitary gland in it. It secretes style. right at the base of the boat here, right here, and it'll just be looking up, you won't even see it, and it'll just throw itself out of the water at lightning speed. And I've had them snap at my face right here at speed that's just phenomenal. I nearly flew out the back of the boat one day. Getting away from one. I was actually mopping the boat. I didn't have anyone on board, and it knew what I was doing. Anyway, I had a mop down there, giving it a side because I got muddle over, and giving eyes at it. It just flew up out of the water, bang, it was there, whack. And it didn't just do it once, it did it twice. Yeah. So I went back under the water, and it came back at lightning speed the second time. What are you going to get there? Is that Scarface? As soon as we get these two females here, they get a bit aggro with each other. Does some real big whackers sometimes. From one to the next, depends on how he's positioned, you know, onto that bite. Here, man, back in here. So he's 5.8 metres, but he's actually cut short.